Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can collect free rewards in TFT. Okay, so to do this we have to open the TFT in the League client, then go for a battle pass, and we have to focus right here. And as you can see, every time you can reach every free item, it will be captioned at the bottom. So when you click on it, you can tap climb and you will get it totally for free. You can also do this with this Little Legends X, and that's how you can do this. There is a lot of free rewards that you can get in the TFT. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.